In today's video, we're diving in how to perform a comprehensive site audit for your business website using Semrush. So if you want to ensure that your website is optimized for search engines, attract more visitors, and convert them into customers, then this tutorial is for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Why conduct a site audit? A site audit is like a health checkup for your website. It helps you identify and fix issues that could be affecting your site's performance, search engine rankings, and user experience. Regular audits are crucial for maintaining a healthy website that supports your business goals. Setting up your first project. Access the site audit. From the Semrush dashboard, go ahead and navigate to Site Audit on the left-hand menu. Configure the audit. So you're going to want to enter your domain URL and configure the audit settings. For most small to medium business websites, you can start with a limit of 100 pages. Adjust this number based on your site size. So to get there, once you're logged into Semrush, over here on the left-hand side, just go ahead and click on Site Audit. From here, you can go ahead and click on Create Project in the top right. This is where you type in your domain, and this is where you can go ahead and give it a project name. And once you've gone ahead and created your project, this is what it'll look like. Customizing your audit settings. Crawl scope and page limits. Limit of checked pages. This determines the number of pages to crawl based on your site size. For larger sites, you're going to want to increase this limit. And for smaller sites, you can go ahead and decrease this limit. Crawl source. Choose between from website, sitemaps on site, or URLs from a file. Using sitemaps on site ensures that Semrush can find all your URLs efficiently. Crawler configuration. User agent. Select between desktop and mobile perspectives. Since Google uses mobile first indexing, it's a good idea to start with the mobile user agent. Crawl delay. If you have concerns about server load, set an appropriate crawl delay. Advanced settings. Allow, disallow URLs. So here you can specify URLs that you want to exclude from the audit. Remove URL parameters. This helps clean up the audit data for more accurate results. Once you've set everything up, go ahead and click Start Site Audit, and Semrush will begin crawling your site and gathering data. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. Analyzing the audit results. After the crawl is complete, you'll see an overview of your site's health. Now, some key metrics to keep an eye out for. So the first number here to take a look at is the site health score. So that you can find right over here on the left-hand side. This percentage score reflects your site's overall health. The next area we're going to look at is the errors, warnings, and notices. And these categories prioritize issues by severity. So errors are critical issues that are needing immediate attention. Warnings are important but less severe issues, and notices are informational tips and recommendations. Common issues and how to fix them. SSL certificate problems. SSL certificates are essential for website security and SEO. They encrypt data between the user and your website. So if you have SSL issues, ensure that your certificate is properly installed. To fix SSL issues, what you want to do is verify the SSL certificate installation. So ensure that all pages are accessible via HTTPS. Update internal links to HTTPS. Meta tags and headings. Meta tags and headings are vital for SEO as they help search engines understand your content. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. Missing meta descriptions. To fix this, just add unique meta descriptions to all pages to improve click-through rates from search results. Missing H1 tags. Ensure that every page has a unique H1 tag that accurately describes the page content and includes relevant keywords. Page speed and crawlability. A fast-loading website enhances user experience and is favored by search engines. Here are some tips to boost page speed. Optimize images. Compress images without sacrificing quality to reduce load times. Minimize JavaScript and CSS. Reduce the amount of JavaScript and CSS on your pages to speed up load times. Leverage browser caching. Use browser caching to store static files, reducing load times for returning visitors. Use a content delivery network or CDN. CDNs distribute your website's static files across various servers worldwide, reducing load times for users far from your primary server location. Crawlability ensures that search engines can access and index your site's content. And here are some steps to improve crawlability. Create a sitemap. Ensure that your sitemap is up to date and submitted to search engines. Fix broken links. Use Semrush to find and fix broken links that could hinder search engines from indexing your content. Improve internal linking. Use internal links to help search engines and users navigate your site. Utilizing Semrush for detailed insights. Issue insights. For each issue detected, Semrush provides detailed insights and recommendations. For example, if your audit identifies duplicate content, then you'll receive guidance on how to address this issue by consolidating pages or using canonical tags. Competitor comparison. Semrush allows you to compare your site's performance with competitors. And this feature helps you identify areas where your competitors are outperforming you and provides you insights on how to improve improve your own site's performance. Scheduling regular audits. To keep your site in top shape, schedule regular audits. Regular audits help you monitor your site's health and quickly address any new issues that arise. Advanced configuration and customization. For those looking to dive deeper, Semrush offers advanced configuration options. Custom crawls. Customize crawl settings to focus on specific sections of your website. This is useful for large websites or e-commerce sites with thousands of pages. Custom crawls allow you to target specific sections. Focus on particular sections like blog pages, product pages, or landing pages. Set crawl limits. Adjust the number of pages to be crawled to match your site's structure. Advanced filters and reporting. Semrush provides advanced filters and reporting options to help you analyze audit results more effectively. Filter by issue severity. So this way you can focus on critical issues first by filtering results based on severity, errors, warnings, and notices. Custom reports. Generate custom reports tailored to your specific needs, such as performance metrics for particular site sections or detailed issue breakdowns. Leveraging Semrush tools for comprehensive SEO. Now, beyond site audits, Semrush offers a suite of tools to enhance your SEO strategy. Keyword research. Keyword research is crucial for optimizing your content and improving your search engine rankings. Use Semrush's Keyword Magic tool to discover relevant keywords. This way you can find keywords related to your business. You can also analyze keyword difficulty, so you can assess how hard it is to rank for specific keywords. Identify long tail keywords. This way you can find long tail keywords with lower competition and higher conversion rates. On-page SEO checker. The on-page SEO checker provides optimization ideas for your landing pages. It analyzes your pages and offers suggestions for content improvements, so you can enhance your content with relevant keywords and better structure. Technical fixes. So you can address technical issues such as missing meta tags or slow page speeds. Backlink analysis. Backlinks are crucial for SEO as they indicate to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. You can use Semrush's backlink analytics to assess your backlink profile, which will analyze the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to your site. Position tracking. Position tracking helps you monitor your website's ranking for target keywords. With Semrush's position tracking tool, you can track keyword rankings. So this way you can monitor your site's ranking for specific keywords over time. Practical SEO tips for business owners. To maximize your SEO efforts, follow these practical tips. Optimize for mobile. With Google's mobile-first indexing, ensuring that your site is mobile-friendly is crucial. Use responsive design to provide a seamless user experience across all devices. Focus on user experience. Ensure that your site is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and provides valuable content. Build high-quality backlinks. Focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks from reputable websites. Regularly monitor your backlinks using Semrush's backlink analytics to ensure that you're maintaining a healthy link profile. Getting started with Semrush. If you don't already have a Semrush account, you can go ahead and use the link down in the video description and get a 14-day free trial. So conducting regular site audits with Semrush is essential for maintaining a healthy and high-performing business website. Well, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos on business to help new entrepreneurs succeed. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.